Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy Economic Calendar of the Week. Each week, our news analysts review the upcoming economic events that you should be monitoring during the week. As the year opens, with Monday being the first full trading day, investors are returning to their desks eager to start booking profits for 2015. Last year went out with a roar, generating huge profits for investors at the end of the year. The first week in 2015 promises to inundate traders with a wide variety of economic data. Given that most of the bullish calls on equity outlook for 2015 hinge on a more aggressively looser monetary policy from the European Central Bank, the focus will remain trained on the Eurozone data releases, particularly inflation numbers. Recent declines in the euro crosses suggest that makers are pricing inaction from Mario Draghi. Yet renowned political turmoil in Greece may well delay, if not usurp all, out quantitative easing. While not considered systematically important to the single currency mechanism, Greek default risk has jumped to 66% and could dent sentiment in risky assets. Traders will have to wait for Friday for the premier event, the US non-farm payroll report issued on Friday, January the 9th. But the week will be chock full of events to keep traders on their feet. Analysts believe the economy will have created 232,000 new positions. Those figures will help to set the tone for interest rate expectations from the Fed and perhaps also the course for the US dollar at the start of the new year. Meanwhile, in the UK, Thursday the Monetary Policy Committee will be asked to decide on interest rates. No changes are expected. In the Eurozone, the latest service sector PMIs that investors will be looking out for most. The latest of Eurozone consumer price data, scheduled for release on Wednesday, will also surely be closely watched. Some economists believe those latest numbers from Eurostat will reveal the first negative reading ever for the single currency area's CPI. Comments are expected on the 7th from Mario Draghi, which could give the latest clues to stimulus for the Eurozone. Big data from China this week included trade balance figures, which are expected to narrow, and then inflation data, which is expected to remain constant. The US FOMC will release minutes of its last meeting on Wednesday, with the next meeting scheduled in 2 weeks.